Hey guys, welcome to G-Force. Today I'm introducing one of the newest DIY mount kits that we've developed. This one's for a Duramax engine, so a little overview of our DIY mounts, which have sold very well. They include all the necessary components to fabricate your own motor mounts for various engines, right? So all of our kits have the same similar components. They come with red polyurethane bushings, steel bushings, the required hardware, and then it comes with a machined steel tube that the bushings fit into, and then it has laser cut ears that'll go around the tube, and you can easily mount this to your engine plate or your chassis plate. So then we've got another set of ears that get welded to the opposite side of either your engine or your chassis, and then each DIY mount kit comes with their own motor plates. So this motor plate has a Duramax pattern laser cut into it. So you'll bolt that to the engine and then you'll weld everything together. So this is a great kit for custom applications that a specific motor mount is not already developed. So if you want to find out more about this DIY mount kit or any of our others, check us out at crossmembers.com. Thanks for watching.